Albany clearance, Skyhawk 685 Delta Whiskey.
Skyhawk 685 Delta Whiskey, Albany clearance.
Good afternoon, sir. Skyhawk 685 Delta Whiskey, departing over to Lebanon VFR.
Skyhawk 5 Delta Whiskey, say requested VFR altitude.
Going over, say, 5,500, flight following up to Lebanon, please.
Skyhawk 5 Delta Whiskey on departure, fly runway heading, maintain VFR at or below 3,000, departure frequency 132.82, squawk 5365.
Alright, on departure flight runway heading at or below 3,000 VFR, and departure frequency is going to be 132.82, squawking 5365, 5 Delta Whiskey.
Number 5 Delta Whiskey, route back is correct, information Delta current, have a good day.
Roger, we have Delta, good day, 5 Delta Whiskey. Holding ground, Skyhawk 685 Delta Whiskey over at Millionaire with Delta ready to taxi.
685 Delta Whiskey, Albany ground, runway 19er, taxi via Alpha, cross runway 28.
19 via Alpha, cross 285 Delta Whiskey.
AC 4334, turn right at Delta, taxi to parking via Alpha, Charlie, this frequency. Delta Whiskey, Albany Tower, you ready to go?
Hey, firm.
Delta 685 Delta Whiskey, Albany Tower, wind 210 at 3, runway 19er, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 195 Delta Whiskey.
Make the ground shake.
Dog 5 Delta Whiskey, contact departure, have a good day.
Departure, good day, 5 Delta Whiskey. Following departure, Skyhawk 685 Delta Whiskey with you, climb through 900 on runway heading.
685 Delta Whiskey, departure, radar contact, climb to requested VFR altitude, turn left on course to Lebanon.
Left on course up to our requested altitude, 5 Delta Whiskey.
Cessna 658 Delta Whiskey, contact Boston Center 123.75.
Boston Center 12375, good day, 5 Delta Whiskey.
Maintain flight level 230. Southwest 1185, contact Boston approach 134.75. 3475, we'll see you at Southwest 1185.
Boston Center, Skyhawk 685 Delta Whiskey, checking in 3,600.
Missed the call sign.
685 Delta Whiskey, checking in 3,700.
Okay, whoever's checking on at 3.7, I'm not getting your call sign, try it again.
685 Delta Whiskey.
685 Delta Whiskey, thank you. Be advised minimum IFR altitude along your route is 6,400, advisory only. VFR altitude 0 discretion. Lebanon altimeter is 29081, call the field.
Roger, VFR, we'll call the field, 5 Delta Whiskey. Center 5 Delta Whiskey, like to cancel flight following over to Love Tower.
North 5 Delta Whiskey, cancellation is received. Just be advised there will be a Cessna 402 departing Lebanon, climbing to 5,000 Southwest Tower.
Roger, 5 Delta Whiskey, looking, we'll squawk in 1,200 over to Love Tower, good day.
You too, thank you.
Here, 127. That traffic hasn't checked on frequency yet. Should be calling me soon. Southwest of the airport inbound.
Southwest.
Okay, we'll still keep an eye out here, 127.
Lemon Tower, Skyhawk 685 Delta Whiskey, checking in 3,011 miles to the southwest of Bemis, Scotty, inbound with Golf.
Cessna 685 Delta Whiskey, Lebanon Tower, roger, inner left base runway 36. report 3 mile base and understand you're 3,100 descending.
We're going to hold 3,000 for now, enter left base for 36, we'll call it 3 mile base, 5 Delta Whiskey. Delta Whiskey, 3 mile right, left base.
Cessna 5 Delta Whiskey, not in sight, runway 36, cleared to land.
36, 5 Delta Whiskey.
Cessna 5 Delta Whiskey, left turn Alpha 2, taxi to the ramp.
Left turn Alpha 2 to the ramp. Good day, 5 Delta Whiskey.
Good day.